What's up YouTube, welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be a very special video for me because I will be covering up something new, something special, and I'm going to Overhaulin. It's a very premium motorcycle dealership that deals with used super bikes. Location मैं description में share कर दूंगा so that you can visit if you're planning to buy a super bike. So this is the place we have reached.
Well, whenever we see a super bike on the road, कभी ना कभी तो ख्याल आता है कि हम भी कभी एक big bike लेंगे. But the problem today is there's not many trustworthy dealers around. Also, the used superbike market is so horrible, and it's very common that you'll be getting a total bike, or most probably a sixth or a seventh-hand bike from the grey market, after spending lakhs of your hard-earned money. Well, to solve this problem, I'm here at one of the best big bike dealer in Kolkata, Overhaulin. The most important aspect of a used refurbished motorcycle is its health, service records, accessories, tires, its owners, type, style and quality. Now coming back to the video, in terms of used bikes, you can check for the basic things like scratches on the frame sliders, handlebars, mirrors, just to avoid accidental bikes. Then in case of exhaust upgrades, आप ये ज़रूर चेक करना कि they don't have any poor welding job done. Most probably a poor welding job means that this bike has a copy exhaust, which will ruin the engine in the long run. And most importantly, don't forget to look at the tires. अगर वो बीच से एकदम plain है centers में, that means there's a possibility of multiple burnouts. So let's get inside and see what's in stock right now. There's a 2021 ZX-10R that has done just 4,500 kilometers. The asking price of this bike is 16.25 lakh. This is a Ducati Panigale 959 2017-2018, 2 owners, capable of producing 157 bhp. That means 0 to 100 in just 2.8 seconds. The asking price of this bike is 10 lakhs. 2019 Ninja 1000 with just a single owner, it is priced at around 8.5 lakhs. So if you have any questions regarding any of these bikes, you can ask in the comment section, or you can ask Arsalan. I will provide his number and he will be able to help you if you are planning to buy any of these motorcycles. So that's all for today guys, just a very short visit in this showroom, and maybe next time we'll go for a test ride and we will be reviewing some other motorcycles. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and you can also follow me on Instagram as moto.zoh. So see you again in the next video. Adios.